Hey guys, if you're new to dropshipping, picking the right platform can make or break your experience. Zendrop and DSers are two popular options, but which one is actually better for beginners? Let's break down the key difference and help you choose. So, Zendrop offers a clean, beginner-friendly dashboard with guided steps and US-based shipping options, while DSers integrate tightly with AliExpress and offers powerful bulk order tools. But its interface can feel overwhelming if you're just starting out. So DSers taps directly into AliExpress's massive catalog, so you can get access to millions of products and suppliers. While Zendrop's product selection is smaller but more curated, focusing on faster shipping and reliable suppliers, especially in the US. So Zendrop shines with faster shipping times, often 5 to 12 days through US suppliers, which is great for customer satisfaction. While DSers mostly relies on AliExpress shipping, which can take weeks, though it offers e-packet options in some cases. Zendrop's free plan is limited. Its Pro plan starts at around $49 per month with branding perks, while DSers offer a free plan with bulk order processing plus paid tiers is starting at $19.90 per month. For beginners on budget, DSers might feel more accessible initially. So both platforms automate order syncing and tracking, and Zendrop provides faster customer support and offers custom branding tools in higher plans. Also, DSers has an extensive AliExpress automation and multi-store support but less personalized help. So, for beginners wanting simplicity, faster shipping, and cleaner interface, Zendrop is a strong choice, especially if you prioritize US-based fulfillment. But if you want the widest product selection and lower upfront costs, DSers might suit you better. So, if you are starting your dropshipping journey, choose Zendrop for speed and ease or DSers for variety and budget-friendly tools. It all depends on your priorities. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.